Good morning. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, 2024, and we're here with Coco's babies who are 2 weeks old today. And this is our normal right now. Sleeping and eating. So we've got 2 black baby girls. It's like the sun's so bright. Feels so warm, huh? She's got a narrow white line down. She must be sleepy, dreaming in her sleep. Now we've got 2 fawn girls and 1 fawn boy. This is our little boy. Hey. Yeah. They just had lunch, so they've got nice full bellies. They're warm. Make a place. Make a place. And this is our other black girl. You're dreaming about milk. I can tell. Yeah. And she has a white patch on her belly too. Look at that full tummy. Let's see then. Oh, did I wake you up? She's got a definite double coat. Come here. Say hi. Little beauty mark on her. Yeah. Can't wake up, huh? And this is our other fawn girl. Ooh, girl, you are solid. Yeah. Still got a little pink on her paws. Those will turn black soon. You like to be belly down, huh? She's like, if you woke me up, then there must be food nearby. There's no food. So we've got our 2 fawn girls, fawn boy, and 2 black babies, black girl babies. And they're all doing well, so we'll see you next Monday.